Hello, welcome to LOL Let's Off Leash Clips. Yeah, if you missed the entire podcast, don't worry, we are posting clips for you. You can come, take knowledge, know better, and do not forget to like, share, subscribe to our channel so that we can deliver more such important tips for you. Thank you so much. One ingredient every pet diet should include.
I would say turmeric.
That's a natural remedy.
It's a natural remedy. It's an anti-inflammatory. It's an antifungal. It helps reduce inflammation of any kind. It is very good for bone and joint health as well. Anything happening in the body, turmeric will kind of take care of it, right?
Antiseptic.
So, it's antiseptic as well. So lots and lots of benefits.
So it's good.
It's good, but there's always a thing in nutrition. So if a dog has pancreatitis, that dog cannot be given
Okay.
turmeric. So otherwise, any normal dog, turmeric is great, but a pinch of turmeric in food,
I think anything is limited.
anything is limited.
Very good.
Very good. Limited. Just keep everything limited.
Yeah.
Keep your hand less in everything.
Exactly. Make the spoon little.
Yeah.
Small one.
Yeah,
That's the best part.
I always say start with a pinch.
Yeah.
End up with a teaspoon.
A teaspoon,
Because
yeah.
people say tablespoon as well. I'm like
no.
teaspoon.
Yes. So it's a good, and also for entire family, that what Shamin said, that the paw cleaning and takes and everything. I also believe in DIY things. I keep researching, keep doing. You also know me that we are kind of that. What else we can do? What else better? So very home based, very basic with the coconut and all these things. I have made a short video for that.
Yes, I've seen it.
So it's very simple. You can apply either every day, if you don't have time for every day, at least once a week, so that your pet will get a good fragrance, of course, no ticks, no allergies, dry skin.
Absolutely.
And you will be keeping away all these things. So it's very easy and very pocket friendly. Go and check it out. This is a very interesting question. Why does my dog eat grass? It's a very interesting question.
Yeah, a lot of things are at play. Okay. Dogs sometimes eat grass because there is some deficient which is not fulfilled through nutrition, right? Also, in the animal kingdom, there is something that animals do which is called zoopharmacognosy.
Okay.
Which
What
is
is this?
self-medicating.
Ah,
So, I mean, chimpanzees and other animals in the wild, when they are
natural
hurt,
instinct.
they will naturally go hunt for certain herbs and plants and leaves to eat or to chew and then apply on themselves to heal. So sometimes dogs do it on that basis, but this is not the grass that will cure them. Sometimes they want to throw up, they're not being able to throw up, and their stomach is upset, so they tend to have these leaves and grass just so that it activates the gut to throw up.
Most of the time we know that only that when they are feeling like to throw it up, they eat grass.
Yes, but you could avoid because you can ensure that the gut is healthy. Then your dog won't do it, right? I know this because as a puppy, Pluto used to do this a lot when he was only on kibble.
Okay.
He doesn't do it anymore at all.
No, his
So-
gut is good now.
Gut is, touch wood, very healthy. So he really doesn't. In case if his gut is not fine, we come to know.
When if he that's the sign maybe.
Yeah.
If he eats, that means
Yeah.
something is disturbing
Yeah,
him.
he'll have fat
That's a signal.
flatulence. He will not eat. So sometimes he might have, a loose stool. So I immediately change up his diet. I make sure the prebiotics, probiotics, and then, fibers get in to change the consistency and to bind the gut. And then he goes back onto his normal diet.
Makes sense. My name is Kasturi Jha. I'm the host of this podcast, LOL, Let's Off Leash. And who's coming the next guest? That will be a question. Bye.